The One UI 7.0 beta program will be open to both developers and regular users. Although this was anticipated, some Samsung fans were concerned when the company initially only announced the beta for developers after the first official teaser for One UI 7.0 at last week's Samsung Developer Conference, SDC24. However, that's not the case. A moderator on Samsung US community forums confirmed that the public will indeed have access to the One UI 7.0 beta program. While this isn't unexpected, it should help ease any remaining concerns fans might have. Samsung recently unveiled a sneak peek of its One UI 7 at SDC24, emphasizing a simplified, meaningful, and emotionally resonant user experience along with enhanced integration of Galaxy artificial intelligence capabilities into daily routines. In SDC24, Sally Hyesoon Jung said that this year you will be able to preview One UI 7 new look and get a sneak peek of its improvement with One UI 7 beta. The official version of One UI 7 with all of game-changing artificial intelligence features will be released next year with the next Galaxy S series. The beta version will be available to developers before the end of this year, according to Samsung Newsroom. Could you please clarify whether the One UI 7 beta is available for public or not? Or it's only available to developers? Last week at SDC 2024, we got our first real look at the upcoming One UI 7.0 update. We even managed to record a brief hands-on video of a Galaxy S24 Ultra running a developer build of One UI 7.0. However, many of the update's features still remain unclear. That's because, unexpectedly, Samsung won't be releasing the final One UI 7.0 build to the public this year. While the beta phase is expected to begin before the end of 2024, nearly everything we've seen about One UI 7.0 so far could change by the time the firmware is officially launched next year. For what it's worth, here's a closer look at the current design of the One UI 7.0 quick panel. The fan-made render, courtesy of Ice Universe, illustrates what the One UI 7 quick panel is expected to look like based on what Samsung showcased in the developer build at SDC24. While things are still subject to change, this at least gives us an idea of the direction Samsung seems to be heading. A stable release of One UI 7 is now set to launch in 2025 alongside the Galaxy S25 series. While the beta version of One UI 7 based on Android 15 will be available for developers and users later this year, the final version won't arrive until next year. Although Samsung didn't provide an official reason for the delay, it's likely due to the significant UI overhaul plan for the update. Another possible reason could be Samsung's intention to unify its software under the One UI brand. Samsung describes One UI 7 as delivering a fresh user experience centered around a simple and emotive design, emphasizing three key design elements. Simple, focused on intentional simplicity across the UI. Impactful, aiming to create a distinctive, signature look for One UI. Emotive, featuring new elements like a blur engine to evoke positive emotions from users. Here's the first official hands-on look at One UI 7.0. Samsung disappointed fans today by announcing at its developer conference that the Android 15-based One UI 7 update won't be officially released until next year. Despite months of development, an early build of the software was spotted running on a Galaxy S24 Ultra at the event, giving us our first real preview of One UI 7 in action. The YouTube channel Abhijit Mishra leaked a video showcasing One UI 7.0 on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, offering a glimpse of the new interface. As anticipated, One UI 7 brings a major design overhaul. From app icons to the notification shade and quick toggles, everything has been revamped. Samsung has also redesigned the camera interface, shifting most controls to the bottom for easier one-handed use, a core principle of One UI's design. This updated camera interface is clearly visible in the video.